All right, time to pull out your reading composition notebook. We are going to answer the following question. Eugenie worked to change the way people think of sharks. What other animals are thought of in a negative way? I'm going to give you a minute and a half to answer that question. Okay, go ahead and find a good stopping point. The next question you're going to answer. First, think about Eugenie's actions and motivations. What character traits do you think describe her personality? I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer that question. All right, we're going to come to a stopping point there. On the next slide, you're going to answer these 5 questions. One, what did Eugenie do to learn more about sharks and ocean animals as she grew up? 2, how did others feel about Eugenie's dreams? 3, what are some things Eugenie discovered and learned on her dives? 4, what did Eugenie want people to know about sharks? And 5, how did Eugenie prove that sharks are smart?